All right, I got y'all right here on the daily. Our new day started at 7 p.m. and our new week on Sunday. So, we all good for what we're seeing right now. See, we came up here to the 50 EMA on the daily. And as you can see, we're getting rejection right now, right? So here's the two options. You come back down and recover this candlestick right here, right? So we come back down around, I say 41,000 in this general area, 40K at the very lowest, just around the general area right here with these red candlesticks. Recover this, basically this whole candle right here, right? Then we'll reverse out the zone and we'll break above the 100 EMA to the general area right here, back around the $50,000 range. So that's our next target for the upside is 50,000 to break through, because we got to get a nice candle. It's going to shoot through the 100 EMA and we'll spike up above it. Like I say, somewhere around 50,000, 52,000, 53,000 in the general area, 50 to 53,000. It will get a nice spike up, a retracement, then we'll bounce off the actual 100 EMA, and we should stay above it once this happens. But like I say, we still always had this possibility coming back to 30,000 to recover this candlestick. So let's just say in the event we do drop lower than 40,000, right? We'll come down and we'll hit the 20 EMA on the daily, right? And that'll be at least half of this candlestick. So we say back around 40,000 to 38,000, very lowest in this general area. And then we'll get a reversal, and then we'll come back up and hit this 100 EMA. If that was to happen though, we'll just come after we bounce off the 20. We'll come back. We'll tap that 100 EMA like with a spike, but probably not as high as 50,000, but just above this, so around 47,000, and then we'll get a retracement, and then we'll bounce off the 50 EMA on the daily chart. So that's what we're looking for. But in general speaking, if it was to drop back down, of course, we're coming back down at 30,000, because this is the make it or break it point. Literally, it's going to either turn to an inverted head and shoulders, right? Which is very possible. You see the spike down. So it will not go lower than this spike. It'll be higher than this spike. And the low of this spike is 39,650. So if it was to get a low, it has to be at least 39,700 or higher. It should not go below this. If it was to go below 39,650, that is confirmation that we are going to 30,000. So keep that in mind. 39,650. Anything lower, we're going at 30,000, because they'll break the inverted head and shoulders. They'll break that whole pattern, and they'll basically show it's going to be, continue to go down. And this will just be the large head and shoulders. And this won't be a inverted head and shoulders. As y'all can see, that's one drop, boom, that's a head, and that's a right shoulder that we'll be forming right now, which also will be a W. And also you can see this is a W. You see the M and then a W, boom, retracement, the first level. That'll be the second level, boom. Third level, we back up to where we already was, around 70,000. And then, we'll repeat the same process. But the thing is, on the 4-hour chart, though, the 4-hour chart is kind of confirming an upside move. Because as y'all can see, like I always tell you, we got to close above the EMAs on the 4-hourly. This is the chart I usually use, but, the daily shows a lot too. But as y'all can see, we actually closed and we stayed above the 100 EMA on the 4-hourly. And that's a real good thing. So we could just really come back down and recover these candlesticks and hit the 20 EMA on the 4-hourly. Which be around 41,000, and we will get that reversal, back up to around 47,000. We'll get that spike out, and you see this is basically the second gap. We basically filled the first gap. This is the second gap, and then the third gap will be after the fact, and that'll be around the 53,000 range I mentioned earlier. But as of now, our next target is 47,000 before any retracement, before any confirmation on what's really happening. So if it was to come up here, boom, we could actually get the 53,000 move, but boom, we'll get a nice retracement back to around 47,000, because we have to be using this as the next EMA to use as support, because clearly it's using the 100 EMA as support right now, and it looks super confirmed that it's a support right now. And we'll continue our way up and blast through the 200 EMA up here, and then we'll use that as support next. Until the 20 and the 50 EMA has to catch up, and then we'll ride the 20 and 50 EMA, and that's when we'll really have our time of the market on the markup phase. But yeah, like I said, next target 47,000 to upside, reversal 30,000 still on table. But yeah, anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.